Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot debate for WordPress users in which is the best SEO plugin, Rank Math or Yoast SEO. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or developer, this comparison will help you pick the perfect tool to boost your site's rankings. Let's start with Rank Math. This plugin has become a powerhouse for SEO. Even the free version comes packed with features, meta titles and descriptions, breadcrumbs, XML sitemaps, 404 monitoring, and redirects. One standout is its built-in schema markup, which makes your content more search engine friendly. Rank Math also offers an AI-powered content generator, helping you draft articles directly from a keyword. Plus, its SEO analyzer scores your site and highlights gaps you can fix, and local SEO tools can boost your business presence in Google's knowledge panels. The Pro version costs just $6.99 per month, but honestly, the free version is already incredibly powerful. Now, onto Yoast SEO. This plugin has been around for years and has a huge loyal user base. The free version gives you meta titles and descriptions, XML sitemaps, breadcrumbs, and a basic content readability check. Its premium version, priced at $99 per year, adds advanced features like multiple focus keywords, internal link suggestions, and enhanced schema support. Yoast's readability tool is straightforward, making it beginner-friendly for those who want clear guidance on optimizing posts. So how do you choose? If you want cutting-edge features, AI tools, and deep analysis at a low cost, Rank Math is your go-to. But if you value proven reliability, community support, and beginner-friendly readability tools, Yoast SEO might be the better fit. That's it for today's showdown. Both plugins are excellent, but your choice depends on your needs and workflow. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which SEO plugin you use. See you in the next video.